What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys here the top 3 must-have apps for stock traders and investors. Now, these apps are not brokers, so you can't buy or sell or trade stocks with them. They're just apps that will help you as an investor or stock trader make the best investments and help you trade stocks and all that stuff. But if you are interested in a broker, I recommend Webull, and you can use my link for that and get 2 free stocks in the description below. But without further ado, I'm going to show you guys here the top 3 best apps, must-have apps that I particularly use on the daily to make good trades using my broker and all that stuff. So let's get to it. The app number 1 here is called Stock Alerter. It's this app right here. You can find it in the App Store. I'm also going to leave all in the description below, all the apps links for Android or iPhone, and if I could find for Android as well, if it's on Android. But these ones are definitely on Apple because I'm using my iPhone. So this app is called Stock Alerter. There's a pro version, but you don't have to worry. You can still use it and keep the free version, which is not that limited. And the main function of this app is that, you know, when you're working and, you know, you're not a day trader or anything like that, but you want to kind of know at the exact time when the app reaches a certain price limit, or even more detail, you know, passes above the RSI or the moving average. This app is for that, and it gives you alerts. It's just that simple. I'm going to show you guys right here. You just click new alert. All right, then you guys want to go ahead and click the name of the app. So for example, I'm gonna do NEO here. You're gonna search the stock. So I searched up NEO, and then this is what I love about this is it doesn't just tell you, let you choose the price, but you can also choose the SMA and also the RSI. So for the price, I wanna alert when NEO passes $61. All right, let's put $61. Now, if you want to leave the other ones, you could. If you want to leave the other ones like that, you can just leave it, but you could put passes 50-day moving or 20-day moving average, or you can also leave the RSI if you don't want to mess with that. And then yeah, so $61, create the alert. All right, created. So now when the markets are up and NEO passes above $61, this app will alert you in real time. And you know, for somebody that's not a day trader and has a day job, this is really awesome, because if you get that alert, you know, you might get that alert and then might go to the bathroom or something and make that decision and trade at the specific time, so you're not always looking at your phone while you're at work, right? This is a great app for people that can't day trade because they have a job and all this stuff. This can keep you alerted for a specific stock that you're interested in once it reaches a certain price limit. So that's app number 1 right there, Stock Alerter. You can download it in the description below. All right, so let's get to app number 2 here, and this app is amazing. It's called Portfolio. I don't know if I said that right, Portfolio. So this app right here, basically the function of this app is you can make your own portfolio with whatever, you know, price that you guys want. It's similar to like paper trading, but I love it because maybe you want to you know, start a Roth IRA and you want to just put $5,000 in it, or $4,000, like a good chunk of money in it, and you're not really sure of what stocks to put it in. So you can actually start out with this and do this as a test. And let me just show you guys here how this works. So all you have to do is click right here, plus. You're gonna create your portfolio. You can name it anything. I'm gonna name it house. Maybe you wanna, you know, with this you wanna buy a house. This is gonna be your house, you know, portfolio. And then after you do that, you want to add your position. So let's say, all right, you know, me and my wife, we're gonna do a joint account, and we want to have a Roth IRA or something like that, and we have 5K to just put in right away, right? Well, instead of actually doing that, you could do this as a test, and you just click add position. And what I love about this, it has all types of positions, like stock, you know, even Bitcoin and crypto. It even has options, which is pretty rare because a lot of apps out there that do paper trading don't have options, which is really cool to have there. But let's just say you want to do stock, so add a stock position. You're gonna name it. Let me do NEO again. We're gonna search up NEO. Of course, it has it. And of course, another thing, this is all real time. So once the stock goes up or down, and on that day, you know, this is real time. So based on the market. So let's see, right? So you know, let's say, all right, I want to buy 10 stocks of that long. You press right here, done, and boom. So it adds it to your portfolio. And this is like, there's no limit to your money. You could add as much as you want. Like I said, you're planning on 5K, so you would add the stocks that you want until you reach to that certain amount. And you know, when the stock market goes in real time, you can see how it's changing, and you can see at the end of the day how your portfolio did, whether it got a gain or loss. And this is awesome because instead of just, you know, going straight in without any experience or any, you know, without any experience in the stock market, you can use this ahead of time before putting in that big chunk of money in your portfolio, your Roth IRA or anything like that, and you can just see how your stocks that you chose is doing in real time, which is awesome. And there's a bunch of positions here that you can choose from. So that is app number 2. All right, and like I said, you could get all of these and download them in the description below. And now let's get to app here number 3, and this app is awesome because I usually use this on the daily. It's called Market Watch. All right, and it's my favorite news app, which is, as we all know, the news is very important to the stock market because it can affect it in a very positive or negative way. So this app here is called Market Watch, and what I love about this app is that it doesn't just have the top stories, it has the latest news, it has all type of news, right? So let's say here, so this is the top news. You can scroll, you can see what's going on. And the also amazing thing about this app is that it's focused on stocks in the market, right? It's not just focused on any type of thing. It's focused on news that affects the market. That's why it's called Market Watch. But as you guys can see here, that there's the top stories, and what I love is that there's the latest news. And the latest news, it's literally updating every single minute. As you guys can see here, 3 minutes ago, 2 hours ago, it tells you the exact time that it came out, right? So this is not just articles from like a day or two ago. This is like latest news. So, and this is all detailed on specific stocks, on specific companies, which is awesome because you can be really informed in the stock market, in your companies, and anything really, using this app, which is called Stock Market. You can also go right here to investing. You can go to market. There's a lot of things here that you can make an account and sign up and make your own like news that you're interested in, so you have your own feed. So these apps, guys, I personally use these apps on the daily. And there's another one right there, Stock Twits, and they help me a lot on, you know, being a better investor and stock trader. And yeah, I recommend these 3 apps. I'm gonna try to find them on Android as well, and I'm gonna leave all the links so you guys can download them in the description below, and hopefully you guys can get them. Now, if you guys are interested in joining a Discord or anything, I'm actually planning on making a Discord for this channel, all right, for investing, called Invest to Rest. I think I already made it. I just gotta finish a couple things, but when I do make it, I'm gonna leave in the description below, and you guys can join it. It's free, and obviously there's not gonna be a lot of people in there yet, if any, but I'm planning to basically have a good community in there, and just, we're gonna have a free chat basically for everybody. We're gonna have a bunch of, you know, tabs for Discord. If you never used Discord before, it's really easy. It's just text, and it's basically like an app that has, you know, chat rooms, and there's a free chat room, and there's a voice chat room if you want to chat for that has day trading, which is really cool. So look forward to that, and I'll probably put it in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and let me know what you guys want to see more. So thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.